Orderhive assists you in creating, prioritizing, and managing important tasks that need to be undertaken amidst the other routine ongoing processes, say like emailing a supplier or shipping a particular product on priority, or simply creating tasks for every order. Let's see how you can efficiently add and manage tasks in Orderhive. So, on the extreme top right hand side, you can see the task icon with a tick. As you click on it, the task window will open, showing you the list of pending as well as completed tasks. Tasks can be added in two ways. One, by adding manually. You can simply type in the taskbar and assign a specific color to define its priority. And then simply press enter. The task will be created. The other way is to automatically add tasks while shipping orders. While shipping any order, if the toggle button for creating task of shipment is kept on, and once you add necessary shipping information and click on done, it will automatically add its task in the pending list. You can see the automatically generated task here. From the task section, you can download or print labels and packing slips in a single click only, without having needed to go to each order for it. So once you have taken the required action on any pending tasks, you can simply click on done to move them to the list of completed or done tasks. That's all about adding and managing tasks in Orderhive. For anything more you need to know on this, feel free to connect to Orderhive expert through this chat icon. Thanks for watching and happy selling.